Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 22. The reagent used in testing for carbon dioxide or carbon dioxide is A. Copper sulfate solution, B. Lime water, C. Hydrochloric acid, D. Sodium hydroxide solution. So in general, what we are asked for here is the test for carbon dioxide or CO2 or carbon dioxide. Now, the most known test for carbon dioxide is by bubbling through lime water. So if you have, say, a sample of a gas and you want to know whether it contains carbon dioxide, all you have to do is to bubble it through lime water. Now, if positive for carbon dioxide, what will happen is that the lime water will turn milky. So just for the purpose of clarity, here is the chemical reaction. You would have the carbon dioxide reacting with lime water. Lime water is calcium hydroxide aqueous solution. So when you react with this, what it will form is CaCO3, calcium carbonate, and water. So this calcium carbonate is what we give the milky color. So as we have rightly established, lime water is the best reagent used for testing carbon dioxide. Lime water is option B. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.